Good afternoon and happy Tuesday. It's Kevin Lit. Tuesday, November 25th, 2025. I have built all 7 of the 8 by 4 foot dock sections and the basic framing of the 12 by 12 foot section. I'm not going to put all the planks on that because it'll be too heavy to carry out in the water. So the next step in this is on Friday. We're all Friday afternoon. Gonna have a bunch of people here. We're all gonna carry these sections out. I'm gonna screw them onto these we got a post hole digger, gonna sink these 4x4 beams a few feet into the water, and then screw the dock sections onto that. And then we'll put the 12 by 12 platform all the way out at the end. Each of these, so we got 56. This dock is gonna go out about 68 feet once it's all done. And people have asked, well, what happens as the Salton Sea dries up? Well, the thing is, I can still unscrew it from these 4x4 beams and we can move the section further out over the years. The Salton Sea recedes about 20, 25, 30 feet a year as far as shoreline, give or take. But anyways, yeah, I'm excited about on Friday. We'll start carrying these out to the water and start construction. Let me give you a closer look around here. Yeah, like I said, we got the 4x4 beams, got a few more over there. I got these all elevated, trying to get this shit to dry out. Humidity last night got to 99%. It's still like about 70% today, but yeah. So 4x8 sections. These I'm going to use to join the sections. There you have it. And then the grand finale is going to be this 12 by 12 platform. I've also ordered lights that I'm going to put on the decking, and then I got a couple of post lights that will go on this, and that's going to go out there in the water. Can't wait. Let's go take a look where we're likely going to install the dock. Somewhere beyond this SOS sign. Existing area with my boat out here. Yeah, Salton Sea has dried up a lot. My camp is a little bit of a trek from the water, but not too bad. Obviously my boat there, got my light poles. I call that our installation lit. But yeah, got a little bit of a sandbar over there, so we probably don't want to put the dock there, but we're gonna put it somewhere here. My old camp and some of the other art, just for a point of reference, is down that way. But yeah, we're going to install it somewhere around here. So stay tuned for further updates later in the week. Thanks for watching Kevin Lit. Be sure to smash those like and subscribe buttons and have an awesome Tuesday.